And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
It's still pretty smoky out there tonight. This is the latest reading from air quality monitoring station near the Purdue Airport. Still in that unhealthy for sensitive groups range, and that's going to be the case overnight. It'll be unhealthy for sensitive groups to perhaps unhealthy for all groups, right in that range there, right up through early tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, maybe you don't want to go for that run necessarily, and even tonight, if you're out for any length of time, you may have a little bit of a scratchy throat, but then the smoke goes away. The smoke we're getting right now is coming from all the fires up here. It's wrapping around the ridge and coming right into our area. And again, some of that is mixing to the surface, especially the smoke coming out of Montana. But as the ridge expands, the smoke will move northeastward as well. Of course, again, major Hurricane Hilary, look at that. Very distinct eye now, and it's racing northeastward. It will still likely be a Category 2 storm, even northern Baja California, and hit southern Cal as a Category 2, or pardon me, as a tropical storm after it's downgraded from a Category 2 as it gets closer. Again, this water's pretty cold here now. It's typically cold, but it's quite a bit above normal right now. Another interesting thing is we have what we call a PRE. It's called a predecessor rain event developing in front of it. A lot of times ahead of a big hurricane, you have one of these predecessor rainfall events that produce heavy rain. It's normally an arc of really heavy rain that comes up from the south, and that's what we've got out here already in southern Cal. In southern Nevada, we've had flash flooding already tonight. So this is going to be a big deal for that area. First tropical storm to make landfall since 1939. Now, why am I talking about that so much? Well, one, it's historic. Two, it will go around the ridge and then actually move all the way up into Canada, merge with a low pressure, making that low pressure rapidly deepen right here. And as it rapidly deepens, it'll pull a chunk of cooler air south, and it'll pull a cold front through our area next Saturday. Now, why am I showing you this? Because this wave could eventually become Tropical Storm Emily and impact Texas. Now, Emily could move into the plains, and then that front I just talked about could pick her up and move what's left of her into our area and potentially could enhance the shower and storm action next Saturday. We'll keep an eye on that, but obviously you can see tropics have direct and indirect impacts for our area. Smoky haze till about noon tomorrow, then it clears up. 84 for the high, but not humid tomorrow after a cool start. 82 to 86 should do it for highs viewing area wide. Sunday's an 89 to 93, but it's really not going to be that humid, and the wind will be nice from the southwest, kind of breezy Sunday afternoon. You see those highs near 90 to the low 90s. Now, there's tonight just a few clouds, the smoky haze hanging on. Watch the clock here. Tomorrow we're fine. This is 12:30, just a few clouds around. And even into Sunday, just a few clouds. The smoke is gone, and there's that pretty strong south-southwest wind coming in to our area. So there is Hilary racing northeastward. It'll be right here at Saskatchewan by Tuesday afternoon. This could be Emily. Meanwhile, it's the hot upper ridge here. Everything moving up and around that ridge. Here's what's left of Emily. Here's what's left of Hilary. Forms this big storm here. So here comes the cold front southward. Here's what's left of Emily. So here's the front. Here's what's left of Emily. And then here comes the Emily's kind of moving this way, what's left of it. And then there's the front. That may bring a few storms a week from this weekend. And that could be Hurricane Franklin we'll have to watch down the road. 10-day outlook. There's your heat wave Sunday right through Friday. Gets much more humid Wednesday and Thursday into Friday with heat indices well above 100. And then shower storms next Saturday. Only mid-70s perhaps next Sunday.